Week before Christmas, what do we have for you today? I have no idea. Here we go. Guys, we've got an Adidas box. Like, what? I just realized I'm just sitting there and I'm like, actually, why is no other wrapping around it? Mad. We actually managed to win from Adidas. Man, they've just been giving us no love. Oi, listen! 450! We managed to get a 450 from Adidas. This has got to be the Resin. Okay, now. Obviously, you'd have seen from the last. Wow. I swear that's the first time I see that, Made in Germany. I think that's just going on mad. Alright, obviously you know from the cloud white that I did not long ago. So you know what? I'm actually taken back here. Again, you know what? Whenever you see them on as you do online or whatever, you don't really get a grasp of the colours. You really don't until you have them in the flesh. Now these Resin, I don't know, but they remind me of like an army green. So I'm actually feeling them, I really am. I didn't think I would. I just thought, this colourway is gonna be dead. But I'm actually feeling it. Yeah, size 10, yeah. I'm actually feeling these guys. Okay, so obviously, with the 450s, you know the silhouette by now, right? It's no different. It's just the colorway that's mad. But one thing I have noticed is that obviously we've got the translucent undersole here, which is kind of, I don't know, obviously it's different, yeah? I'm just trying to figure out why they made it like that. But I don't know, it feels kind of slippery. I mean, my other 450s ain't even done them yet, but I will. Christmas, Christmas Day. But yeah, I like these. I like these guys. How are you feeling about them? And yeah, okay. I mean, do you want us to try and get the dark slate? The black pair. Yeah, see that one, I don't know, man. It's not black. It needs to be completely black. Yeezy don't really do they rarely do like a black, like completely black. Only their utility blacks, I guess, are the pop black. But anytime it's got like some sort of slate, it's always not as black as you intend it to be. And those ones I don't like because, so on the 450s, the cloud ones, here it's like a darker. It was like a darker cream, but here it's just all one color. Now, if Yeezy were gonna do this with the blacks, then it'll look good. I haven't seen the blacks in person, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. The Slade, but yeah, I like these. I like them, man. What can I say? I'm surprised again. I don't know. Well done, guys, for letting us get in the W on the Adidas confirmed app. That brings me joy. Like, no word of a lie. Do you guys want to see it on foot? These are they exactly the same as the other ones? But we're gonna do it anyway. Right, come on. You gotta feel them, yeah. You gotta feel them. I love the silhouette. I love the silhouette. I mean, a 450 silhouette. For me, it's like everything that Yeezy's about. Just different, just changing it up. You know what I mean? Just changing it up. Yeah, my favorite silhouette so far is the 350s. Just standards like the OG ones, right? But I just love the way that the future's heading, the Yeezys, and there's some crazy pairs coming out, guys. I'm just hopeful. Here we don't like to talk about it until we've got it. So don't want to be talking like this is what we couldn't come out. It's not about that. Here it's all about the review of it in hand and on foot, because that's how you guys are feeling it. So what am I saying? Yeah, cop these. No word of a lie. I myself, I'm gonna try and add it to my personal collection. I know I'm gonna jump onto the resale market. You know I don't like that, but I'm gonna jump into the resale market and just try and cop these. And I don't think they're doing too bad, so I'm not gonna get ripped off. But listen, guys, I honestly would say if you are a trainer head, you need to just get mad copies or mad colorways of the 450s, because they're just different. They're absolutely different. And nobody's gonna try and rip them. Some people are like, yeah, no one's gonna rip them because they're rubbish and they're ugly or whatever. But for me, I like them, man. I really, really do. And they're comfortable. Size 10, as opposed to the 9.5 like we standard do. These are a 10. And again, the 9.5s are comfortable, but these just feels right. It feels right being that full size up, So I don't know. You can always get away with a half a size, but if you want all day wear, a 10 without a shadow of a doubt. As you know, we're starting to turn the corner, and I'm actually starting to think now that default is a size up on Yeezys. I've yet to be convinced yet, but across the whole, across all the ranges, all the silhouettes, but I'm starting to feel that way. I really am starting to feel that way. But hey, anyway, as they keep coming, we'll keep chopping and changing them to see which ones actually do work with each silhouette. With each, even the colorways change, right? As the materials change as well. So look, I've been jabbering on about these. I'm excited for these. I'm happy for these. I got fingers crossed we can cop the MX Rocks coming out in the next couple of days. Hold tight, guys. Hold tight, guys. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.